morning. Today is Friday. Our last day here in Gothenburg. So sad, honestly. I was really enjoying this beautiful city. Today we are going to the Universeum. It's a big museum, really famous here in Gothenburg. And we are gonna take a small tourist boat here. So it's gonna be a small day. We've been a little tired from yesterday with this interview. Yeah, today we're just gonna enjoy. We're gonna try to relax just a little, but it's gonna be really fun. We are ready. I'm just here waiting for my boyfriend. He's in the bathroom, so it's gonna take like 3 hours. So I'm just gonna wait. And yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, say yeah, this is he's watching when we can go to the window.
No.
Hey, cutie patootie. What you doing, you handsome? Why are you so handsome?
Oh, you need to buy a separate ticket for the wisdom.
A separate?
Yeah.
Bro, well, it's like a movie, kinda. It was like this.
Yeah.
Look at those feet.
Those toesy woesies. Those juicy
Oh, we can look at things. Oh no!
I fit right here with a clown.
Look at that. And the answer. Cutie patootie. He's so nerd.
It's called the school. Frog eggs. We took them back.
Now he's sleeping. Oh, there it is. He's watching you. Hello, buddy.
The fish that like Japanese people make sushi out of.
Is that?
No, it's much bigger. Like fish can be like big as like for humans. We don't need to run to it. Yeah, I can see that moment. I don't like that.
Saying hi. Biggest one. That's the big one.
Oh my goodness, that's huge.
Oh, look, I kind of want to touch it. You don't want to touch it.
Did you know sharks have lived for Like that would make a difference.
He's like, such a weird shirt.
Yeah, maybe that's what he's looking at.
He's watching to your shirt.
Get in with the calm. It's when crocodiles. I think the other one.
Oh yeah, the other one was really bad.
Who is that? Oh, the other one is there.
It is hot. You're not hot. If you say I'm hot, I'm gonna pull off.
Maybe that ass is that.
I'm recording. These asses. She likes.
The feet is sticking out there.
You can do it, girl. You got it. You got it. You're so comfortable. Damn. No. Oh, damn. You will do it. You will make it. You will make it. Oh my god. Damn.
Did they survive?
Yeah.
Oh my god. No, it's not correct.
Not correct?
I have 4 more meters.
No, you didn't.
need to swim.
The kid waiting in line. This is like a movie. What it is?
In school we used to go like each one thing if you want to.
Oh. Okay. This is huge. No, you can't. You can't eat it. Don't touch it. Of course you can eat it. Why are you asking?
I don't know when we're done.
Don't worry, I'm recording. It's only one for you and me. It's raining. No, don't. Raining so much. We are here. I don't like it. I'm gonna get wet.
Alright, so our tour, it begins in the year 1621, and our king was King Gustav II Adolf. King Gustav, he went to vote. In front of us on the right hand side we have the German church, also known as the Christiani church, and in the beginning this church, it was made from wood, but then one day it burned down with big parts of our city. So we decided to build it up again, this time made out of stone. But as soon as the church was finished, well then it burned down again. So then we built it up again, and of course nothing could go wrong this time. In front of us on our right hand side, you can also see quite a few civilian as well as military ships. These ships, they are part of the Sea Maritime Museum, one of the largest floating museums in all of the world. They have a large collection of different ships, as I said, but they also have a submarine they can actually enter. So I highly recommend they give this place a visit. The ship that we have on the right hand side is called the Destroyer Småland. It was built in the year 1952 here in Gothenburg at the Gettysburg shipyard.
It is really big. Akiri Paturi.
On the right hand side we have a park. It's called the King's Park, one of Sweden's longest city parks. It's about 2 kilometers long, all the way from here back to where our tour started at Kungsportsplatsen. The special thing with the park, it is that it functions as a
So they hate the Stockholm. I mean, people from Stockholm.
In front of us now, you can see my favorite building in Gothenburg. It's the Grand Theater. And our house was built to replace this theater, but it's still active to this day with many different plays still going. For the future for the theater, it was at a point in time quite uncertain. Some people wanted to make it into a cinema instead, but then large amounts of money were collected, and thankfully it's still a theater to this day. This statue is of Prometheus. He was the one that took the fire from the Greek gods and gave to us humans, and as a punishment for this, they gave him a pyramid as a head. The special thing with him, however, isn't his pyramid as a head, is that he has a six-pack at the same time as he has a beer belly. The perfect Swedish man right there. Wow, what a dream body. So we've now returned back here to Kungsportsplatsen. I hope you enjoyed our little private tour today, even though it was quite rainy. And if you like the tour, feel free to leave a review on Google or TripAdvisor. And I'm going to say goodbye now, but first, just please remember.
Look at your hair.
Not bad.
You look so beautiful.
I like it.
So bad. I like it. We're gonna get sick.
You are.
You are gonna get sick.
If I get sick, it's your fault.
Bro.
Yes.
I'm not sick anymore.
But you were sick.
I was. That was
So-
in the past.
But you got me sick.
No, I didn't. You
It's
got
your
you
fault.
yourself sick.
What did I do? I didn't do anything.
Because you were in the rain. Yes.
But that doesn't get you sick.
It does.
No.
Yes. And here it ends our trip. We've been here 3 days, 4 nights. No. Yeah, 4 nights. 3, 4. I have to say it was really nice. Really, really fun. It's my first trip with my boyfriend, so we're expecting to have more trips. We already packed everything. Everything is done. This is my backpack, my boyfriend's. We have trash. All this we didn't use it. So yeah, it's small, but it was fun. It was really nice for me and him. We are gonna have breakfast and then we're gonna to check out. We're gonna go eat. No, we're not gonna go eat. We're gonna go walk a little more. We want to buy a little memory, and then yeah, we go to the bus. 10 hours bus. I'm gonna die.